if you want to turn on two-factor verification on Gmail, then these are the steps you need to take. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on two-factor verification in Gmail, first, you want to go ahead and open the Google app on your phone. So search for Google and open the Google app. Go ahead and click on the profile picture at the top right. Click on manage your account. Once you click on manage your account, you want to hang on. And now the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down until you get to security and sign in and click on it. Under security and sign in, come to how you sign in to Google, and then you should see two-step verification. Click on it. Once you click on that, hang on a couple of seconds for this to load your Google information, and you'll be prompted to confirm your screen lock. You can use your fingerprint, you can use your password. Then scroll down, go ahead and check your two-factor authenticator option here. You can use Google Prompt, you can use passkey and security, you can use authenticator app, you can use phone number, you can also use backup code. If this is turned off, you should see turn on. Just go ahead and tap turn on two-step verification. And after that, select the option to turn on two-step verification, and then you are good. So that is basically how to turn on two-factor verification on Gmail. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.